Look at this for a day. 6 o'clock in the morning, eh? Oh, and so let's go forward once more into the breach. What a wonderful, wonderful day. It just seems to have went from being dark at 6 in the morning to broad daylight at 6 in the morning in one weekend. It's not crept up. Right, let's get around here. I'm not going to take you all the way to work. Will you stay there, son? I'm not going to take you all the way to work with me today. I just thought I would share the start and let you see where Johnny sets out from. Goodbye, home. I shall see you later. Adios. Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back, eh? Another Wednesday, another shave, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. Apologies to all those people who were expecting the Wednesday shave to go up on a Tuesday. I'm saying nothing, right? No, I was in bed early last night. I've got a day off work today, so I'd always planned on filming today, but I had the sleep of the gods, and then I woke up to a wonderful cooked breakfast, and I've just been chilling this morning as I film this now. It's about midday. It's going to come in here and film this shave. So we'll get a flyer on, and then I'm going to go and have some rest. Look, a pot of freshly brewed coffee. We're on Yellowstone. You know the TV show Yellowstone? Bunkhouse coffee. Here we go. Oh, my word. That's nice. Let's crack on, and we'll show you what we're using in the shave. Look at this. Oh, Mr. Bond. Get the Blofeld manoeuvre. 28mm. Look at that colour. That is the RazoRock. Can you do that? RazoRock Beehive 28mm. And we'll put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. It's just a cup with John Shaves written on it. But hey, oh, Super Soaker. Official Super Soaker. Sounds better, doesn't it? Razor. Right, we're going to do that all the way through the shave. The razor of choice today, check it out. That's the Merkur 34G. It's been a while. Get it at the bottom like that, and then out to it. And then what we'll do is we're going to use these. I was looking for something that kind of matched the colour scheme. Here we are, 7am plus. Can you see that? High platinum Durablade. It's got a little hologram on there. I can't remember using these guys, but we'll take one out. We'll have a look. Yeah, it just says on there. Oh, let's have a look on the back. Technical. Oh, there you go. See that on the back? There's the technical collaboration from Switzerland. Okay. So that basically means that somebody in India phoned somebody in Switzerland and went, is this how you did it? And they went, yeah, that'll do for us. There you go. We'll put that in there. 7am platinum. Well, I've kept them, so they must have been a pretty decent shave. We'll get that on there. There you go. Got to be quiet, you see, because Mona Lisa's next door working. There you go. Can you see that? We're setting away quite the thing. We'll get that in the hot water next to the brush. And then the star of the show, the pièce de résistance, the one you're all with. You're all looking going, Bohemian, what? Here you go. This is made by an artisanal soap maker. An artisanal in the true sense of the word. I think he only makes about 100 soaps a year. And I don't know if he's made any this year, but he'll make 10 pots of 10 different scents. He made about 10 of these a few years ago. And Johnny snagged one that's in it. Daisho. He's into his karate and all things Japanese, I think. So he's called it Daisho. Out of Portugal, I think. Check him out. Really, really nice. Very skin foody. This. Smell of this. It's faded now. I've had this a long time. But it really is honey. Beautiful, sweet floral fragrance from that. And then we've got that. So we'll just go straight out of the tub with that. We'll splash up with a splash. And what we're balming up with, well, balming, I bought this, it took so long to get here, guys. It really, really did. Here we go. Can you see it? Pure Shave. So I got a nice Pure Shave white fluffy towel. It's okay, nice shaving towel. We'll put that there. When it came, I actually got it last week, but I didn't want to use it in the last shave because of the vanilla that was in it, and the shave was dark brown. I didn't want to risk it staining that lovely white towel. They sent me this. Can you see it? Pure Shave of London moisturiser. So refill, reuse, regain. There it is in the back. Check them out. Posted. That was only a tenner. He's threw that in free. We'll see what it's like. Let's crack on. It's glorious, guys. Absolutely glorious. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and I'm in here to shave for you. Johnny's a poet, didn't know it. No, it is the clear blue skies, beautiful sunshine, and it's about 0 C here. If you're still using old money, that's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That really is my kind of weather. Maybe like it a bit colder, 2 or 3 degrees colder, but yeah, wonderful. So come on, let's spring into action. See what I did there? See what I do? Spring and that, you know. Whoa. Yeah, good old days. Gonna be a flyer. But hey ho, it is what it is. Let's have a go. Here. What's like? Well, friends, that as a thumbnail. Look, you can always tell when John's not tired, can't you? I am actually still a little bit tired. But yeah, everything's good. It's all good with the world. I think as the weather improves. I mean, I'm not a summer person, but the lightness and the warmth and the cleaner air just seems to help, you know, all round. So here we go. We're getting there, guys. What we'll do is we'll probably just load with this. We'll just lather up right out of the pot. I've already done it. I already started it with this. And then we'll see. We shall see where we go. It's hard. It's been used. Not much out of the tub, and it's dried out a bit. It's gone a little bit hard and a little bit complex. So look. Absolutely wonderful. Now I'm just revisiting a load of old brushes and old gear. I'll be digging some more out, you know, stuff I've just not been reaching for one reason or another. I mean, I think you do just naturally gravitate to stuff you feel a little more comfortable with. So I go in the den and I've got all this wonderful gear, but it's just like I'm gravitating towards the same brushes and the same razors, you know, because I like them, I feel comfortable with them. Yeah. But here, Merkur 34G. Let's get that on there. These are wonderful, wonderful razors. But I'll be honest with you guys, they're mild. But they're the kind of razor, if you used it every single day and you nailed it down, I'm not keen on that blade. That felt quite rough there. Let's see how we go. Wow. Yeah, not another bad blade. Yeah, if you use this razor, no, I can't. Sorry, I'm gonna have to change that blade. Let's pause. We're back to the 7 AM out, and we'll put a 7 o'clock in. Let's just get this done. Show you in real time just how this is done, and here's me planned on having a flyer today. Let's get that in there. Replace the 7 a.m. for 7 o'clock on my work. Don't want to rush and end up slicing the old fingers, do we? But life is too short for bad shares. Swish that in the water. Yeah, different world. Yeah. I'm going to be going through my blades. I got loads of blades for the channel, you know, random blades. When I very first started my channel up, I had loads of stuff, but everybody was all using all the stuff I have. So I thought, what can I get that nobody used? So I went on a trek and I found loads of random blades. And they came and they, you know, it was mission accomplished. But they weren't very good. So I've got them all in there, but I don't know about you, but especially when it comes to shaving gear, guys, I'm a hoarder. I just can't bring myself. Just can't bring myself to throw stuff away. I can't do it. It's really, you know, Whoopi Goldberg in Ghost, when she's giving the nuns that check. That's like me over the bin with a razor blade. Just can't do it. So yeah. So anyway, let me know what your shaves of the day are. The only one slurp today, and it was bought at Marshall's, I think, in Brooklyn. You know, Atlantic Terminal, if you live there, near Atlantic Terminal in Brooklyn. We went there and we went in Marshall's, and whenever I go over to the US, I always bring back virtually a suitcase full of coffee. And we had all the coffee we needed. And we went in Marshall's and they had a maple flavoured coffee, which I'm not a fan of flavoured coffees that are already flavoured. But I got it and I wish I'd bought more. It was absolutely beautiful. And then I thought, no more coffee now. I had literally had about 40 bags of coffee. No more coffee. And then walked around the aisle and saw Yellowstone. And I was like, oh! And I bought a bag, just one. Walked away, got to checkout, ran back and got another one. And I'm glad, glad I did. It's good coffee. But you put that DNA into this hobby and you're in trouble, aren't you? You're in trouble. And it is the old adage with me. I started this way of wet shaving to save money. How's that working out for you, John? But yeah, all that just to tell you I've got Yellowstone coffee. Do you know, if ever we do a UK wet shavers meetup and you see me sat at a table, you might want to make sure you've got an hour spare before you strike up a conversation, because I could quite literally talk a glass eye to sleep. You're all sat there now all over the world going, no, I'm not having that. Oh, so here we go, yeah. Yeah. That blade is an absolute world of difference. It really, really is. There you go. Oh, and that's it, come on. We're going to do some ladder mittens. What do you reckon? Look at that. Look at that. Absolute champion, that stuff. I've had that for years, guys. Yeah, under here. Just the usual suspects, yeah. Under there. The soap is so slick. I'm having to try and dry my hands off because the water is so soapy and so slick. There you go, once we get a good... And that's it, guys. Look at that, 14 minutes. We did get a flyer on, didn't we? Let's get some more water in here. Whoa. We got a flyer on. We did okay, didn't we? There you are, let's get out. Lovely. Wow. Fluffy towel. Absolutely wonderful. I have these little clips that hold my glasses on. Oh man, that's a good towel. It's like got like a finer weave on it that makes it kind of more absorbent. It really is highly absorbent. £10, maybe a little high for the size of the towel, but it's good. It's nice. It'll do. It's bone dry. It really is pretty good. Look at that. Hey, we did okay, didn't we? See, now I've got two women at home today, Mona Lisa in there and Mona Lisa Senior in there, and I'm going to go out to them both and go, hey, if you're married, guys, and they get yourself one of them, hey, I dare you to find a hair. Right, come on. Enough of this frivolization. There's a fair bit in this, you know, guys. It says reuse. How would you reuse that? There you go. Let's have a look. I've not put the splash on, have I? Right. I did that on purpose because I wanted to show you the qualities of this new balm. Now that, guys, to be fair, that has absorbed and soaked right into my skin. And it feels fantastic now. I've no affiliation with these people. I don't know who they are. They're a big company or what have you. It's just got a generic scent. But I would, depending on how much it is, I would certainly buy that. That's pretty decent stuff. Okay. Are you ready? I know you're all waiting for it. Put the splash on, put the splash on. Calm down, kids. This is very skin foody too. No. Right, that's just like rubbing honey. That's like getting a pot of honey and lifting it out and rubbing a pot of honey on your face. So I'll leave the bathroom after, open the window and it'll zip, big beehive on my face there. So if you see me in the Guinness Book of World Records, you'll know what's happened. And there we are, look at that one. We're 10 years younger, guys. 10 years younger. Enjoy yourselves, enjoy the weather, make the most of these days. And remember guys, it's easy to be nice to people that are nice to you. So today, be nice to someone that doesn't deserve it. The results really are good. Even if they don't appreciate it, you will. Look after yourselves and each other. And I'll see you on Saturday. I've already got something lined up for Saturday. Something I found in the den I didn't know I had. So we'll use that and I'll see you then. Bye.